Are you working with German-speaking clients or colleagues, are tired of being constantly misunderstood, and are ready to kick off your career or business in Germany, Switzerland, or Austria? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Julia and I'm a business German trainer. I am offering industry-tailored business German classes, mock job interview preparations and presentation practice to help you master the German language and excel in your career, be it getting a promotion, closing that new client deal, or landing a new job. Why work with me? I'm not just your next German tutor. Sure, I am a certified German as a foreign language teacher, but I have this real-life business experience many traditional teachers lack. So if you want to learn from someone who faced your challenges firsthand, are motivated to push your career or business forward, and invest in a better future, check my website or write me a message. Ich freue mich, von dir zu hören.